Tonight I had an incredible dining experience at Kai Chef, a Caribbean restaurant in Zona Colonial, Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. Owned and operated by certified executive Chef David Desy, a Haitian-born culinary mastermind known worldwide. David's journey mirrors our love for great tasting food and a passion for local ingredients. Over the past 2 years, he scoured Hispaniola, uncovering new flavors and innovative cooking techniques to present an authentic yet modern take on Caribbean cuisine that unites people through food. I had the privilege to chat with David, and his creative and determination to expand globally left me inspired. His restaurant is designed to feel like home, with different rooms offering unique vibes to make you feel welcome. For dinner, I indulged in fried goat served with a side of beans and rice, accompanied by delicious spicy Haitian salad called pickles. The flavors were extraordinary. The goat tender and flavorful, and the pickles added the perfect kick. The rice and beans left me craving more, and the fried plantains were a very delightful snack. My entire experience at Kai Chef was nothing short of amazing. I wholeheartedly recommend visiting when you're in Zona Colonial. Explore the world of flavors that David and his team have crafted, and you won't be disappointed.